How to hard reset an iPhone. In a hard reset, you force your iPhone to restart. A hard reset can help it your phone is frozen and would not cause you to lose the data on your phone. If you have having serious problem with your phone or want to remove your data before giving it to someone else, you can perform a factory reset. A factory reset will wipe all of your personal data from your phone. So be sure to back up your iPhone first. Number 1. Press and hold the power and home button. This method will restart a frozen iPhone. Number 2. Continues holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. This may take about 20 seconds. Number 3. Wait for your iPhone to continue booting. It takes a while for iPhone to completely boot up, so do not be alarmed if the logo stays on your screen for a bit. After a minute or so, your iPhone should boot to your home screen. Number 4. Test the iPhone to see if it keeps freezing. Performing a reset is usually good enough to solve any problems. If your iPhone continues to freeze or experience problem, performing a factory reset, hard reset may fix the issue. If your iPhone is always freezing with the specific app, you may want to try uninstall the app and looking for an alternative. Thanks for watching.